Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable the vibration for mention in bio notifications on Instagram. If you find those vibrations distracting or just want a quieter notification experience, this quick guide will help you turn them off in just a few simple steps. First, start by opening your phone's Settings app. This is where you control all the app permissions and notification preferences. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on the section labeled Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, find and tap on Instagram. This will open the app-specific settings. From here, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This section controls how Instagram alerts you about different activities. Within Notifications, you'll see a list called Notification Categories. Tap on that to view all the different types of notifications Instagram sends. Now, find the option labeled Mention in Bio and tap on it. This is the specific notification category for when someone mentions you in their bio. Finally, you'll see a toggle for Vibrate. Simply switch this off to disable vibration for mention in bio notifications. Once toggled off, Instagram will still notify you, but your phone won't vibrate when someone mentions you in their bio. And that's it. You've successfully turned off vibration for mention in bio notifications on Instagram. This is a great way to reduce distractions while still staying updated on important mentions. If you want to customize other notification settings, you can explore the other categories in the same menu. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more handy tips on managing your Instagram experience. Enjoy a quieter, more controlled notification setup.